Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and my wacky sign. I lost my Y. Why? Okay, I'm going to clearance out my bundles because I'm cutting new fabulous bundles. So let's see what I got. I have 3 yellow, black, and gray. I have 1 silver and gray. I have 2 mixed greens. I have 3 green and blue. I have 2 light greens, 2 pink and yellows, and 10 crybaby blues. These bundles are marked down to the low price of $10 each. I will have to add shipping unless you buy $60 worth, and if you buy $60 worth, it's free shipping. You need to check the description box to see how many are left. And I also have 3 green and gold with trim bags. These had been $30, they're now $20. So I have 3 of those. And I have 4 Indian fabric pillow kits. Let's see if I can peek and tell which is which. The ones with the blue paisley or whatever that is makes this pillow. The one with the green makes this pillow. You can look back at the other videos. I'll try to link them to see exactly what's in them. These had been $50. They are now $40. So I can't really go down a whole lot on them. But you get the backing fabric, the crochet, the embroidery thread, the foundation squares, the fabric. So you can email me. I put my email at the end of this video. I take checks and PayPal. I do not take Venmo or Cash App. Yeah. Happy clearance, y'all.